your child, boy or girl, preparing for RIMC entrance exam? Then you must watch this video. RIMC entrance exam is held twice in a year. RIMC 1 will be conducted in June and RIMC 2 will be held in December. So the preparatory batch for June exam is already on. My name is 𝐾𝐲 Amardeep and I am the director of the Winning Edge Defense Academy. We are located at Dehradun. The batch for RIMC June entrance, it started on 1st of January. It is an online batch. The classes are being conducted in the afternoon after the school timings. There are 2 classes being conducted every day from 3 to 4 and 4 to 5. We have a mobile application and the entire study material is made available through the mobile application. We will also be conducting a crash course for the RIMC from 15th April onwards. This 45 days crash course will put the candidates through one quick revision and mock test series. So if a child is seriously preparing for RIMC, which is one of the most prestigious defense preparatory institutes and Sainik School, then you must enroll him for this online program or the crash course. The program is already 1.5 months old. So in case the candidate joins now, he or she will be offered initial discount and the study material will be made available in the form of video classes. I am very happy to inform you that on our YouTube channel, most of the lessons for RIMC entrance exam are available in the form of videos. The student can watch these videos in his or her own time and then carry on with the classes. We have got the most qualified and the best team of teachers to prepare your child for the RIMC. So if you are an RIMC aspirant, if you are the parent of an RIMC aspirant, then do not waste any time. My contact details are given in the message along with this video. Please get in touch with us. Take 1 or 2 free demo classes and join this program.